Welcome to Da Nang. It's sunset time and let's check out how the beach is looking today. In the Mian area, the Mian beach, the An Thuong area. We are now at the An Thuong 4 here to the left. But I'm wondering how full it is at the beach because it was a perfect day again. It's not really hot, it's like cool right now. But I still have my shorts on, so everything is good. But I don't have my jerseys on yet, so it's not that hot yet. So let's check out how the beach is looking like. Because usually now with this weather, right at sunset time, it should be packed. But we will see. I'm excited. The ocean was pretty good today when I saw it. So lots of people are swimming right now. Already, and the ocean is not that wild and the waves not that rough. It's a charming hotel. Lots of you stayed there already and gave me also good feedback that it's a very nice hotel. They should pay me some because so many people stayed there because of me. But I think it's great. I even put in my best friends, also in the same hotel. The bars are pretty packed again. That's crazy. I think 1 month ago it was empty every day. So one of my favorite banh mi places here, they're already closed. It's weird, because actually they should be open until 7, but I think they're gonna wrap up everything and leave for the new year. So what you have to really be aware of that this weekend will be very, very empty, because most of the people leaving this weekend, Friday, Saturday, everyone will be gone. My favorite coffee shop on the corner is already closed. They already went to the hometown. So just imagine this, like next week, it's gonna be very empty. And the places that are open, they're gonna be full. Because not many places will be open. And during the main Tet days, I'm not sure if it's 3 or 5 days completely, but on this main period, it's gonna be also more expensive. So they're gonna have a different menu. They will usually charge 25% more. They most likely have like a Tet menu. That's what I saw last year in Hanoi. They always had an extra menu and they also write it down. So it's a total normal thing. And one thing what pisses me off a little bit is that this is still not fixed. I mean, look how bad that looks. Can you imagine? This is now for over 2 months like that. And it's like right next to a church, right at the beginning of the tourist area. So, what is that? And I'm wondering what kind of morons are just throwing that trash on it. That's what I'm wondering. I should put a camera in there. Would love to see that. Oh, it looks beautiful. What are you thinking? This is just this view, the sunset time, magical. People are working out. It's cool, so you can actually have a run over there. This is the Yara Ocean Suites Da Nang. This is the first hotel on the beach after. If you look to the right, all the way there, the next hotel would be a beach resort, okay, on this strip. And this is the first beachfront hotel, Yara Ocean Suites. This is also where I started my all 11 hotel compilation on my main channel. I will link it down below. But all those hotels, the next 11 ones, are very good. And as you can see, no one is stopping in front of the zebra stripes. You gotta just walk in a steady pace and everything will be fine. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's windy and it's kind of fresh. I wouldn't want to be in the water and go out now. It's a little bit too windy, a little bit fresh. But it's actually a great weather if you don't want to bath. But there are still some people in the water. Oh yeah, let's check out what's going on the promenade. So here you got some trash cans, pretty full. People still throwing it on the side. Maybe it is also the wind. Sometimes there can be also wind. And here you can see lots of people working out. Those workout equipments getting really used. And this is not only the case in the afternoon or in the sunset, it's also in the morning. In the morning, actually, if you're a person who likes to wake up early, it's actually very nice because you can come here 5 a.m. to the sunrise. You'll be totally safe. Totally safe. You can literally walk to the beach when it's pitch black still. It's no problem. It's very safe. People are out. It's actually more packed than when it is completely sunny out there. If it's like noontime in the summer, it's way more empty than 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. in the morning, it's one of the safest places to be. There's so many people working out. It's great. But I only made it one time in my life. But I know many friends actually, they did a little bit of a different kind of sunrise. What happened here? They did a little bit of a different sunrise. They just went, they partied all night and then went to sunrise. That is also an option. Look at this beautiful view. People running also on the beach, I see. Sports, volleyball. Surfing, not that much anymore, but I saw today when I had my coconut on the beach, I saw many surfers and actually the waves were good for beginners. I saw some people were standing on a wave for 20, 30 seconds even. So it's not that bad now. The waves were good in the morning. So if you want to surf, look at this. It's probably going to be the surfboards and then they're going to pull it with a motorbike. Everything can be pulled with a motorbike here. Yeah, there's a lot of trash again. I don't know what's going on there. Or maybe they're building something. As you can see all over there, they already changed 24 to 25 now. But actually after New Year's it was still 24 for a long time, but they changed it now. Because in Vietnam, the next year will be this Sunday, 28th of January, will be the New Year's Eve, if I'm not wrong. Very nice. But I can't wait until it's really hot, because I feel it's a little bit still fresh. But of course, if I compare it to my home city in Germany, where it's 0 degrees, snow, rain, I mean, this is paradise here. So look at this, some digital nomads in their natural habitat, working on their laptops on the beach. These are the restrooms of the Maya beach. Ocean looks very pretty. My yellow card here. And they also have some music playing always during sunset. Do you know the song what they're playing here? It's like every day on the same time there's like a little bit of a beeping sound and then it starts this music. Hey, how you doing? Film gerade. Okay, mach's gut. Oh, look at this. They completely painted everything in white. It was like rusty, but now it's already good to go for the summer season. It feels like everywhere it's like a getting ready for the high season feeling. Look at this. There's a guy with a microphone and a boombox on the beach. Is he singing there? You got a permit, bro? Yeah, he has a microphone and a guitar. Interesting. Well, now I also see the pasta shop one time in use or in operation actually. First customers are eating their pasta. I think it's a great concept. Very simple, very convenient. Sitting there on the beach, having their pasta. Because usually if you are sitting on the beach and having pasta, it's probably 10 times this price what they have here. Next to it are some surfing boards. How you doing, man? The ocean looks very pretty. Let me show you. It's actually very nice, especially here. Look at this. Isn't that nice? It has like the perfect color. I hope the camera is capturing that the right way. The ocean, the beach is still too narrow now. Usually, even Paradise Beach has way more seating over there. But it looks very nice. Right here, opposite of the Haiyan Hotel. Definitely a very good hotel, around 40-50 bucks. But check out the link in the description about my hotel reviews of all 11 ones. I went in every single hotel here. And here's the outside of the Paradise Beach. So every hotel up until there, you have the best beaches usually. I mean, now the beaches are a little bit still problematic, but it will be good, better. I'm pretty sure. Now here's the money shot. The Mian Beach sign, the Sontra Mountains in the back. And people surfing a little bit further away. Beautiful. They're even cooking there. What are they cooking there? Interesting. They have like an open fire, maybe cooking some stew or something. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video. See you in the next one.